My name is Padma Chozdun and this is my file, and there is my topic. First one is definition of computer, and second is what is the full form of computer, and third functionalities of computer, and fourth characteristics of computer, and the fifth advantages and disadvantages of computer, and the sixth one is types of computer. Here I go. First one is definition of computer, and this one is definition of computer, and second one full form of computer, and this one is full form of computer, and then characteristics of computer, and this one is characteristics of computer, and the functionalities of computer, and this one is functionalities of computer, and this one is advantages and disadvantages of computer. At the last, the types of computer. There is 4 types of computer, and that's all. Thank you.